Hello and welcome back to Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. Once again, we are back with another topic in Java programming. So today's topic is going to be on recursion function. So basically, what is recursion function is that it will be a cycle of repetition of a code. Basically, recursion means it will be repeating a loop number of times until the given condition is satisfied. So today's code is going to be on that topic itself. So without any further delay, I'll be just entering into the code. So today's code will be class main and int and int result. That means result is a variable whose type is int, and then result will be equals to this method name and n minus 1, and then it is carried by return result. Okay, and this is about this is about the class main, and now I'll be writing another class, that is output, and that is equals to public static void main string. Yeah, so now I'll be creating a an object here. So main object, that is equals to new main parenthesis and a semicolon. So we have created an object here, and now I'll be commanding to print the value of object dot frequency of 12. Okay, so basically this is today's code, and I'll be running this code within 5 seconds. You just pause the video and figure out an output for this. So it's 3, 2, 1, and go. I'm running the code. So guys, as you can see that we have got an infinite loop here, infinite loop, because if you check here, we haven't given any base value for n. Base value like we haven't given n equals to 0 or n equals to 1 or whatever it may be. We haven't given any base value to that. So as it is a recursion function, that means as it is it will be running the loop and number of times. So as it is a recursion function, we just need to give a specified number to that. Specified number in the sense you just need to give a base value for n. We have declared a variable n whose type is integer, right? So we just need to give a base value like n equals to 1 or n equals to 0 or 100, whatever it may be. We just need to give a base value for that. So as we haven't mentioned any base value to n, we are getting an infinite loop here. I'll be showing you that. See, we got an infinite number of outputs here. So that's the reason we are getting that output. And when it comes to today's code, we have many basics hidden in this code. So basics like we have created a class main, and we have given a method, and we have written a method inside that, and we have created another class here. So I'll be explaining you that. Okay, just a second. I will close all this. Yeah. First, when it comes to our first class, we have created a class name, that is main. So when we are entering into that main group, we have created a method. Method name is func, and its type is integer. And inside the parenthesis, we have given int n. That means we have declared a variable n whose type is int. So inside this method, we have declared another variable, that is result, whose type is int. So this result will be equals to function n minus 1. Okay. So then after we are returning the value of integer. So this is about our first class. And when it comes to the second class, we just want to create a new object here. So that's the reason we are writing public static main void, and then carried by we are creating an object here, that is main object, that is equals to new main. And the syntax for creating an object is main class and followed by object name, and that is equals to new again main class, and a parenthesis carried by semicolon. This is your syntax for creating an object. So as we have created an object, we are giving command that our object should merge with the method we have given, that is object dot function 12. Okay, so basically this is regarding today's code. Okay, we have given two classes and we have given a method, and in method function, in that method we have given certain codes, and then we are creating an object, and there we are commanding that object to print the value as object dot function 12. So there are one, two, three, four fundamental basics present in this code, which are very much important in the further sessions of Java. So this today's video is gonna be very important one. So just watch it more number of times so that you can find basics stronger, because we have hidden four fundamental basics in this code. Okay, so as I run this, you'll be getting an error because we haven't given any base value to n. That's the reason we are getting infinite number of loops. So that's all for this video guys, and thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in another video.